On the 8th of May, Sage Intacct released its second update for 2026, and in this video we're going to cover some of the largest features that were included. Sage Intacct is a powerful accounting and ERP solution aimed at growing businesses. Each year it receives 4 free updates that add functionality and aim to help speed up and simplify your daily processes. Everything mentioned in this video will be aimed at UK users, and I will specify if the specific feature is for general availability or still in the early adopter phase. Now let's get started and jump into what was included in the Sage Intacct 2026 R2 update. The R2 update now gives you greater control over how remittance information is created and delivered. This is ideal for companies which do not take checks and need clear communication for bank file payments. You can now configure accounts payable with options for bank file remittance separately from traditional check remittance. Additionally, you can set up email remittance templates specifically for bank file payments. An early adopter feature that was included in the R2 update is improvements to embedded customer payment services. Streamline your receivables process by offering a self-service payment option to customers. If you have subscribed to an inbound payment service provider, you can now allow customers to pay AP sales invoices through a secure link in AR sales invoices. This allows for faster payments, better visibility through real-time updates, and a faster, simpler process for customers paying invoices. In an effort to make approval workflows as simple and time-saving as possible, you can now set up custom approval workflows for purchasing. Created using flexible rule-based logic, you can set up workflows based on supplier attributes, priority, or transaction amounts, and ensure that approvals are being sent to the right person at the right time. This is another early adopter feature, so if you are interested, please do get in touch with our Sage experts to discuss it further. The R2 update included several enhancements to fixed assets management to help speed up your workflow and give you more control. You can now summarize depreciation postings, thereby reducing the number of items in the general ledger. This improves posting performance and makes depreciation entries easier to review and reconcile. You can also now split an asset into multiple assets. You can split one asset into up to 20 independent assets while retaining depreciation history and accuracy. That's some of the main improvements and new features that were included in the R2 update. But now let's discuss some of the smaller changes and new features that help to improve your daily usage of Sage Intacct. You can now change the line entry format directly within a draft AP purchase invoice. This means you can choose how line item data is structured after the upload, rather than having that decision made for you. You can now process customer refunds through accounts receivable. By integrating accounts receivable and accounts payable, you can create refunds in AR that generate linked AP purchase invoices for payment processing. This makes refunds easier to track and also reinforces segregation of duties. An early adopter feature for cash requirements is one-touch customer payment reminders. This adds a Create Payment Reminder button on the cash requirements page, letting you view all customers with outstanding invoices, and then you can send a reminder at the touch of a button. The R2 update included several improvements and changes to the tax features of Sage Intacct. You can now enter partial exemption at the top level for accounts payable transactions. This makes it then easier to apply partial exemption to all of your transactions. You can also now manually retrieve missing tax submission files when a submission is marked as completed, but items are not automatically retrieved from Sage regulatory reporting. These changes came from suggestions from real Sage Intacct users, as Sage are always looking to improve your actual experience with the software. As always, the Sage Intacct 2026 R2 update included far more features and improvements than we can cover in one video. Thankfully, we do also have an accompanying blog post going more in depth about the update, and if you'd like to read that, there is a link in the description. If you'd like to find out more about any of the updates included in this video, or about Sage Intacct in general, please get in touch with our Sage Intacct experts. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.